Relentless fighter calls a spade a spade. Over 55 years of tireless service to the nation. He is none other than Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge. As he turns 82, we pay tribute to a man who, rising from the shadows of poverty as the son of a farm laborer, has reached the pinnacle of Indian politics despite every adversity.
जिन्हें अध्यक्ष चुना है वे एक अनुभवी नेता है, धरती से जुड़े हुए नेता है, एक साधारण कार्यकर्ता के रूप में काम करते हुए अपनी निष्ठा से, अपनी मेहनत से, अपनी लगन से और अपने समर्पण से इस ऊंचाई तक पहुंचे हैं।
Born on July 21, 1942 in Bidar, Karnataka, Khargeji's early life was marked by struggle. At just 7, his family was displaced by communal violence, fleeing the flames of hatred. Khargeji's mother and sister died in that tragedy.
मेरा दुर्दैव है क्योंकि मैं अपने माँ को देख नहीं सका, मेरे बहन को देख नहीं सका, मेरे भाई को देख नहीं सका, मेरे चाचा को देख नहीं सका, क्योंकि मेरा घर उस वक्त जल गया जिस वक्त वहाँ हैदराबाद लिबरेशन में ये दंगे चल रहे थे। उस दंगे में मेरा पूरा घर चले और मैं एक ही घर में बचा, मैं और मेरे पिताजी, वो दोनों बचे।
Such a devastating blow could have shattered anyone, but for him, it ignited an unbreakable resolve for secularism and justice. Driven by sheer determination, Khargeji pursued education with fervor, working tirelessly in a cinema theatre to fund his studies. He earned his law degree from Seth Shankarlal Lahoti College while fiercely advocating for labour rights. Few know that he also excelled in kabaddi, hockey and football, earning numerous district-level accolades. Khargeji's political career began in 1969 when he was elected as a Congress bloc president. With a remarkable record of 10 election victories, including 9 consecutive assembly wins, he now serves as the president of All India Congress Committee. His affiliation with the Congress party has been exceptional. Today, as Congress president and leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, Khargeji takes a formidable stand that sends shivers down the spine of the BJP and RSS.
आज स्टूडेंट्स बहुत परेशान है। नीट का एग्जामिनेशन बार 7 साल में 70 बार पेपर लीक होता है।
His fierce criticism and exposes have held a mirror to Modi's government. A master of many languages, Hindi, Urdu, Kannada, Marathi, Telugu and English, Khargeji bridges divides with his words. He also nurtures a passion for poetry.
दुश्मन भी मेरे मुरीद है शायद, वक्त बेवक्त मेरा नाम लिया करते हैं, मेरे गली से गुजरते हैं छुपा के खंजर, रूबारूब होने पर सलाम किया करते हैं।
Shri Mallikarjun Kharge's journey is a powerful testament to overcoming barriers of caste, language and limited resources. His story proves that unwavering dedication and integrity can conquer even the highest challenges. Today we celebrate a man who has devoted his life to serving our country, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, a true titan of Indian politics. Happy birthday.